Window installation in Sumter, South Carolina, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Sumter window installation experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that every window is installed with precision and care. Whether you're considering vinyl windows or double-hung windows, replacement windows, Sumter contractors have the expertise to meet your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Sumter are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Energy-efficient windows. Sumter can significantly lower your utility bills while enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Vinyl windows in Sumter, South Carolina offer a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. Known for their longevity and resistance to weathering, vinyl windows Sumter, South Carolina are an excellent choice for those seeking a cost-effective window solution. These windows come in various styles and colors, allowing for customization to match any home design. Double-hung windows in Sumter are a versatile and classic window style that suits many home designs. With their easy-to-clean features and excellent ventilation capabilities, double-hung windows Sumter are a favorite among homeowners. These windows provide a timeless look while offering modern functionality. Window replacement services in Sumter are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Replacement windows. Sumter services ensure that outdated or damaged windows are replaced with high-quality, energy-efficient options. This service not only improves your home's curb appeal, but also enhances its overall energy efficiency. Custom windows in Sumter SC allow homeowners to create unique window designs tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a particular shape, size, or style, custom windows Sumter SC can be crafted to fit your vision. These bespoke windows add a personal touch to any home. Window replacement in Sumter, South Carolina is a vital service for addressing minor damages and extending the life of your windows. Window replacement. Sumter, South Carolina experts can fix issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty seals, ensuring your windows remain functional and efficient. Sumter window contractors are skilled professionals dedicated to providing high-quality window services. From installation to replacement, Sumter window contractors have the knowledge and experience to handle any window-related project. Their expertise ensures that your windows are installed correctly and perform optimally. Home windows in Sumter SC are an essential component of any residential property. They provide natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. Home windows Sumter SC come in various styles and materials, allowing homeowners to choose options that best suit their needs and preferences. Window glass in Sumter is available in a range of options, from standard to energy-efficient varieties. Window glass. Sumter can be customized to enhance your home's insulation and security. Choosing the right glass replacement windows, Sumter is crucial for maximizing energy savings and ensuring the safety of your home.